Welcome to Mojus Institute of Technology. Uh, a small brief about ourselves. Our website www.mjit.in. If you like to write us, info@mjit.in. If you like to ping me, 8825410600. If you have any specific topics related to your Linux, you can post on the comment box. I'll be help you posting a video on the same. Okay, so today's video session, without any further delay, today's video session we are going to be discuss about find command. Okay, so what is the find command? Find command is a command line utility in Unix like operating system. Find command is used to search a file and a directory based on our condition or space based on our arguments matched. Okay, so you can start search a file or directory from where you want, in which directory you want the search need to be start where. Okay, that's how the find command will functions will be there. It works in such a way. So what is the syntax for find command? Find is the command, the command line utility, and then it defines where your search needs to be start, and then your expression determines uh, which type of like a file or a directory with the option and what to find. Okay, this we are going to be discussed on our hands-on. This is about the find command. Let's move to the lab session. Let me clear this. Okay, so how to search a file in the my present working directory? Find present working directory. Okay, what I need to be search? I'm going to search a file name. Okay, mjit.txt. So this mjit dot file is available here under test directory mjit.txt. test1 directory under mjit is available. So mjit.txt. so if you watch my previous video, cp command video, there I have copied this mjit from my desktop, my present working directory to test directory, then test directory to test1 directory. We have copied an entire directory, so that is the reason the 4 places present in the same file within a different directories. Okay, so we have searched in a present working directory of file we have been found. So I like to same file I have like to search from my different specific directory. So that find, let me clear this, clear find where I need to be search home directory. Okay, hyphen type. Okay, I need to mention file or type is a file, hyphen name mjit.txt. so where I'm going to be search under my home directory. So you can see here mjit/home, one file is there, /home under user one I have created one more file, so both file it has been taken out. Okay, so I like to now find a directory. Find in the present working directory, hyphen type d, type for directory, hyphen name test. In my present working directory, you can see there are 2 directories there. My test directory in my present working directory, test is a directory, and test1 one more directory is there, test. Let me validate ls-l. so you can see test directory is there, it's a directory, and one more cd test 1 ls. You can see one more test directory is there. This how you can figure out, and then you can filter the directory as well. Okay, I like to find a directory from my root level. Find directory, root directory. Okay, hyphen type. Okay, what is that? Type directory, hyphen name. I like to try to filter a directory called sys. You can see there are 3 sys under proc. Sys directory is there under sys slash, so under this directory one more slash sys is there. Under root slash user slash libraries, a perl 15 sys directory is there. This is how you can find your files and directories. Okay, clear. To know more about the find command, man find, you hit find. Here you can see find, search for a file in a directory hierarchy. The snap is find you can use from starting point to ending point. The expression should be okay. So you can explore these options. So you can go through this man page and you try each and every. So P for never follow the symbolic links, and then L for follow for the symbolic links. All those, it will be more helpful this your find command. Okay, if any queries on find command, please do post on our comment box. I'll be help you out on the same. Please go through this man page as well. Okay, thanks for watching this. Please do share, like, and please subscribe our videos to get more updates, immediate updates onto your channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.